Welcome to our tutorial on how to forward messages on WhatsApp Web using your PC with the latest update. Let's get started so you can share important information seamlessly. First things first, open your WhatsApp account on your web browser. Just navigate to web.whatsapp.com and scan the QR code with your phone if you haven't already logged in. Once you're in, look for the chat where the message you want to forward is located. Scroll through your list of conversations or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Now, all you need to do is right-click on the specific message you want to forward. A menu will pop up and you'll see the option to forward. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking forward, you'll notice a forwarding icon, which looks like a paper airplane. Click on that icon to continue. Next, you'll see a list of your chats. Take your time to choose the chat you want to send the forwarded message to. You can search for the contact or group by typing in the search box. Once you select the chat, all that's left to do is click on the Send button. And just like that, your message has been forwarded. Now you're set to share important information with ease. Whether it's an article, a funny meme, or a crucial update, forwarding messages on WhatsApp Web has never been simpler. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.